So this video is going to be on solving systems of equations graphically. So it's kind of the first in a series of 3 videos where I'm going to talk about how you solve systems of equations. So the main thing to understand when you're solving systems of equations from a graph is that there are 3 things that can happen. And these 3 things that can happen anytime you solve a systems of equations, even if you solve them algebraically, which we'll do in the next 2 videos. So it's helpful to remember that these are the 3 things that can happen. So the 3 things that can happen are the following. So if you think about, if I have a coordinate system and I have 2 lines, so I'll draw the 2 lines in blue. So one of the things that could happen is that the 2 lines, they could intersect each other. And this point here where they intersect each other, that's the answer. So in this case, when they cross each other, so the lines intersect, and the place they intersect, the place they intersect is a point, and that's the answer. The second thing that can happen is that you can have the 2 lines end up being parallel with each other. So I end up with 2 lines, they're parallel, so the 2 lines are parallel. Which means they never intersect. So this has no solution. And the third thing that happens is you could have 2 lines, and the 2 lines end up right on top of each other. So maybe I have that blue line, and then there's this green line, and it happens right on top of each other. So the 2 lines are the same, and they go on top of each other. And this is when we say there are all real solutions. So all real numbers, or all real solutions, which not numbers. So let me get rid of all real number pairs that satisfy the line. And that's a mouthful to say, so usually we just say that there's infinitely many solutions. I don't know exactly what happened here, but so let me just move this up so I can finish writing. Infinitely many solutions. So again, those are the 3 things that can happen. They can cross at a point, and that point is the answer. They can be 2 parallel lines that never cross, and the answer is no solution. Or they can be 2 lines that end up right on top of each other, and then that's when there's infinitely many solutions.